So I'm currently vlogging right now. I'm at the Do It For The Plot little event that Serena Kerrigan is throwing for her show in New York City. If you guys can see, she's right there. And I met my friend Jelly. So yeah, we're like in the VIP section. We got drinks. So I got a cocktail. The one that I got was, you guys can see, I got the main character. And yeah, we got like a little gift bag and everything. It says Bumble on this side, and then on this side it says Do It For The Plot. And my outfit, if I can show you guys, I took a risk and I'm wearing latex by Skims. And then I have silver boots on. So that's what I'm wearing. And yeah. Thanks guys. We are good. Yeah, just have a I'm telling you.
Right now. You guys are gonna love this show. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for coming. Like, you guys are my OGs. You guys are literally my biggest supporters. And even if you don't know who the fuck I am, which I don't, maybe, no, I don't think so. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Like, this is the best way to celebrate my birthday. And to meet all of you and so many good people alone. And if you didn't even come along, please like introduce yourself to someone. That's what the card game is for. But ultimately, just like, let's have a great fucking night.
Happy birthday!
Cheers. Guys, wait. I want to do a quick photo with all of you. If you could just stand all there. Yeah.
But really, I just went behind his back and turned his apartment into the hottest club in Morningside Heights. Flags and the trauma that came with. Tonight, we cleanse ourselves of this small dick. You look beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay. Oh, you're doing this right now. Oh no, we're doing it. I literally don't know what to say. Okay, so I want you to look in the mirror. I do not want you to look at me. I know it's fucking amazing right now. You do look absolutely incredible. So I want you to literally pretend I'm not here. Okay. Get a little closer. So hi. No, get closer. Oh. Yeah, and look right back. Same myself, not of you. And hi. It's not about me, it's about you. Hi guys. Okay, you're not Ellen. All of you. I hype you up, I lift you up, I nurture that relationship. And I feel like then we stop short with ourselves. So please, if there's anything you take away, like other than the fact that it's my birthday, you are the writer, director, producer, and star of your life. So do it for the motherfucking plot.
Hi guys. So my eyes look like this because I was just driving for 2 hours and 30 minutes. The entire little thing was like 4 hours of driving in the city and I'm exhausted. But I just got home from the event and I just want to show you guys my outfit. So my outfit is from Skims. I'm not gonna lie, Kim did her thing when she made the latex collection. The only thing is, I literally, where is it? I just dumped it, sorry guys. I literally had to put baby powder all on the inside of this latex in order to get it on because otherwise I would be stuck. So yeah, and somebody told me you're supposed to put lube or like aloe vera or something on the dress to make it look more latexy. I didn't know that and I didn't do that, but overall, this was my dress. I can show you my boots. They're in the other room. One second. Sorry guys, that was a lot. I had to turn the lights off and everything. So if you guys haven't seen them yet, I've been wearing these silver boots. And actually, I didn't know that they are like knockoffs for like a company that actually makes them. That's like, the boots are actually like $900 and I got mine from Amazon for $70. The lighting here is really weird. Hold on, I'm gonna go over here. That's a little bit better. So yeah, and then the bottom of them are very slippery. So what I did was I took them to a shoe stop and he put this on the bottom of it so that I wouldn't slide, because I've worn them before. I've worn them before and they were super slippery and I almost fell. And then the bag that I used, where did I put my stuff? I kind of just threw everything. I kind of just threw everything when I got back on the floor and I went to pee because I hadn't peed the whole time. This is the bag. This is the bag that I used. It's like a little like thrift store baggie that I think is so cute. It's like a little clutch. Jacket that I wore, even though it was a little hot, but I'm anemic, so it was kind of cold to me, was Juicy Couture. It's just this puffer jacket. So yeah, guys, that was my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys all the little goodie bags the goodie bag that we got. So we got this goodie bag. It says "Do It for the Plot," and then it says "With Serena Kerrigan," and then on this side it's sponsored by Bumble. So let me show you guys what I got. I actually never looked inside the bag, and I kind of feel like night one may have gotten better items than we did, but whatever. So first off, we got a detangling hairbrush, which, not gonna lie, this is really dope because it's about to be the summertime and I'll be swimming, so that will come in real handy. I got this Adina Eden. I think this is oil or something. I'm not really sure. Let me open it. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay, they stapled the bag. I have no idea what that is. I got get one free any Bonza pizza. I'm not really sure. Oh, these are actually really nice. These lip slavs, Rose Slav by Bid Glow, but by Below, a digestive enzyme from Love Wellness. What is this stuff? I got Bonza mac and cheese. What else? This is Banglo Honest True and Trustworthy Body Cream. This actually I'll probably use because I like to stay moisturized and get very ashy. A Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I got a lip color from MAC, a MAC lipstick, and this is the color. It is Keep Dreaming 667. Another dietary supplement. I got another MAC product. This is a powder kiss lipstick in the color Work, Work, Work. I'm not sure what that color is. Let me see if I can open it with one hand so I can show you guys. We were gonna find out together if I can open this. Let's see. Ooh, this is kind of pretty. So this is kind of like a burnt-ish orange, reddish, burgundy-ish, burnt brown. I feel like it would be a really pretty color for blush. So yeah, I don't usually wear a lot of lipsticks, mostly lip glosses. I got another color from MAC, and this is a matte lipstick, and this is in the color Come Over. A Dynamite. Wow, I got a $50 gift card to Dynamite. And actually all of Serena's, like her manager and like the girls that are working for her tonight were all wearing Dynamite clothing. They all had like purple lilac suits on and it was really pretty. So I'm gonna be on that website looking for something. BB Hairdressing Invisible Oil Primer. It's like a hair protectant or heat protectant. Yeah, heat protectant. I got another MAC lipstick in the color Come Over too. And that is it. I'm gonna try to open this Eden thing up for you guys to show you what is actually in there, because I'm not really sure. 1 second. Okay guys, I'm opening this up and oh, that's cute. So actually one of her, I don't know if it was her manager or who, they're actually wearing this chain. So it's a Cuban chain and it's gold. It's actually really cute. I love gold and like jewelry in general. So yeah guys, that was all. And it came in this little baggie, really cute. So those are all of the products and stuff that came in the bag. Now I'm going to get out of this dress, and I wish I could show you guys how I got in and I got out, but I'm actually not wearing anything underneath the dress. The only thing I had, and this might be a little bit TMI, I was only wearing a tampon. Like, I didn't put a bra on. You kind of don't need to, if you guys can see. Like, you don't really need to. Yeah, I'm going to try to get out of this dress. One thing I would recommend is putting your hair up, because the hair gets stuck to the latex and it kind of pulls it out. But this is the end of this little video. I didn't know I was even vlogging. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.